Okay, so guys, welcome back. So today we're learning how to clear browser history and stuff. So that let me try and remove this. I don't know why it's behaving this way. Okay, so we have our browser. At times we go outside and then we use public computers. And then we look into browsers and then our account and then maybe some confidential information, which we always think we are the only ones who are supposed to view it. It's not for public use or something, but we find ourselves in places where we have no option than to just get access that information there. So I'm here to show you when you use public computers how to clear your cache and how to clear your cookies. Because with the cache and cookies, people will get access to your data. Yes, that is how it works. And then people will be able to see all your browser history. Then they'll be able to, maybe you even did save password, remember me and stuff. So all your accounts will be remembered on the device. So as soon as the person gets on the device, you just go to the account that you were going in and then you'll log in. As soon as he logs in, as you know, you have access to every single information that you are protecting. Yes. So if you are using, maybe you're working in your work, you have a machine there, or better still, you go to the internet cafe, any public computer that you use. After using, certain things you are supposed to do before you leave the premises to make your information or other data what safe. Are you there? So this one I've not set it as my default browser. It is just for testing, for purposely for this league. So that we come here, then we scroll down to clear browsing data. If yet we can see all the history. Have you seen with this browser? You can see all my history. Yes. Did you get it? By group, by date, and other devices. Maybe I've logged on this Google account or this browser or this Google account on my phone and stuff. Yes. Then here you get to this part. This part that you clear every single thing. You clear your browsing data as after using a public or your work machine. Do you get it? Yes. I want to take my time. I want to take my time so that you'll be able to understand it. Yes. So as you can see, with this part, you will choose: are you clearing the browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files? As I told you, you are clearing your browser history and your cookies and site data and cached images and files. Do you get it? So you can go to advanced to, then you can take, maybe when you are using the browser, you signed into account and then you mistakenly forgot you did remember me and stuff. So with that, you will leave this thing. Your passwords will be saved there. Do you get it? And autofill from data size setting posted up. Maybe you have a web store or something, an app from the web store or something, and you did some site settings or autofill form data. Yes. You made some changes in your, maybe you had certain things that it wasn't on the keyboard or something like that, or some words that wasn't in like you couldn't type, so you saved it so that next time when you get there and you type, you just see it there. So you just different things like that. You clear it. So with that, you take it. So me, if you are using a public computer or a computer from your work, which you know this is not work related, this is your personal stuff. After using the browser, you take all this. You may never know where you made a mistake or something. So you take all this and scroll up all time, or maybe you've been there for, let's say, 30 minutes, so you can click on it. So for me, I prefer you use 24 hours or maybe all time. In such maybe you use the last hour. What if the algorithm, you had a mistake in your, let's say, your timing or something, the algorithm couldn't even capture some data and stuff. So one time you clear everything so that you'll be more safe. Your conscience will be very, like, your conscience will be cool. You will not having any doubt like, oh, I left my data on this machine, I left my data here, I left my data that. Yes, so this one I'll use all time because I don't want to have any problem. Then click on it. To take some time. Boom, everything is gone. Do you get it? Yes, everything is now gone. I don't have any history. Yes, do you get it? So with that, you are good. You are very, very good. No recent tabs. As you saw earlier, I had 14 tabs, but after clearing everything, I don't have any tabs. That means this browser is now free. It's now a new browser. Like no one has used it before, but people have used it. Yes. And then if anyone comes to use this browser, he or she won't get any information related to what I did in the past. Yes. I think you'll find this useful. Thank you very much for your time.